Hi everybody, this is Kale. My last name is Smith, so um, this is the exponential equation that I had. To simplify, um, I started by taking the negative exponent outside of the bracket and applying it um, as a positive, then simplified the digits on the inside of the bracket using the rule of exponents to negative exponents to turn negative exponents to positive, and then make them the denominator. I then further simplified by again turning the exponent negative into a positive and then moving it to the numerator because it would have been smaller than the denominator. It's been a really long time since I did anything math related, so let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much.